So I'll let this cook, and meanwhile I'll also start preparing my omelette. So here's the omelette. Finally, उसको भी डाल दिया हमने पकने को.
Hi, my foodie fam. Hope you all are doing well. And today's vlog, I'll be showing you what I eat in a day. And this is the most realistic I can get.
So I'm gonna cook some asparagus. I have already heated some butter. अब मैं इसमें asparagus डाल रही हूँ. And these are just 2 stems. इतने ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is just 2 stems. और अभी मैं इसमें simply salt and black pepper डालूँगी and a little bit of catch का ginger garlic paste. That's it. So I'll let this cook, and meanwhile I'll also start preparing my omelette. I have 3 eggs here, तो मैं omelette की preparation करूँगी. I'm just gonna keep it simple, not gonna add any veggies into it. Simple रखूँगी because these are the veggies that I'm gonna have. So this is gonna be my breakfast. Also I'm gonna take 2 slices of bread. Again, butter में बना हुआ. So I'm using a very small amount of butter, तो इतना कुछ unhealthy नहीं हो रहा है इधर. Inside the omelette, we've simply added namak, black pepper, and a little bit of red chili powder. That's it. Also, I don't want to overcook these, so I think this is looking fine. I like my veggies a bit crunchy, तो मुझे तो ये पसंद आने वाला है. So here's the omelette. Finally, उसको भी डाल दिया हमने पकने को. My asparagus is ready. Let's get rid of all the kachara here now. And then this is the bread. Bread में मैं 2 slices of bread डालने वाली हूँ इसमें. This is 3 eggs का omelette. Technically 2 should have been fine for me, but since I am eating my first meal of the day, which is around 3 o'clock, so I'm a bit hungry right now and I want to have something that fills my tummy. Finally, bread slices over here. This is almost done. My plate is done. I just have to add breads and that's it. That's gonna be my breakfast, lunch, and maybe dinner also. I have also made some custard with brown sugar. So I just need to add some chunks of mango. अभी उसको ठंडा होने को रखा है. So later maybe I can have that also as something sweet. And so finally my food is ready. Now for anyone who wants to know how does asparagus taste, it almost tastes like a broccoli stem. I wouldn't say beans, but हाँ broccoli के stem की तरह taste करता है. And I love broccoli, तो मुझे तो पसंद आता है ये.
So I was feeling a bit more hungry और मैंने decide किया कि कुछ leftover सांबर चटनी और डोसा बैटर रखा था तो मैंने उसका उत्पम बना लिया. I already had some chopped onion and tomato, so I was eating that and yummy in my tummy. I was enjoying my food so much. Later I started craving for some noodles, and these are not my top favorite noodles, but I love it with an egg because protein. Then we also went for some fruit shopping, and the only fruit that we could actually find was mangoes, and so we got a lot of mangoes. और मैं मैंगो खाती हूँ सिर्फ, अंकित नहीं खाता है तो मुझे ही ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा सब कुछ. Later we went to have some matcha and cold coffee and milkshake. तो जो भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल हो जाता हमें हम वो पीने गए थे. So this is a coffee place which is near our society. It's called Coffee Voodoo, and we did not expect them to add matcha in their menu, but हमें मिल गया था. Green matcha नहीं मिला था, which was a big disappointment for me, but blue matcha मिला था. Honestly, it could have been a bit better, but any which way मैंने पी लिया, स्वीट ज़्यादा था, अदरवाइज़ आई रियली लव्ड इट। एंड देन आई फाइनली हैड सम सूप आफ्टर कमिंग होम। तुरंत नहीं पिया था यार, इतना नहीं भूखी रहती हूँ। आराम से रात को भूख लगी जब, तो 2 सैंडविचेज़ के साथ मैंने अपना सूप पिया, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ माय डे एंडेड। So if you like the vlog, make sure to subscribe to my channel and wait for another vlog. Hope to see you again. Bye.